Ready to unlock the power of the latest PHP features? Today, we cut straight to the chase and show you how to get PHP 8.1 up and running on your Ubuntu server in under 90 seconds. First, let's add the Ondřej Surý PPA, a trusted repository for PHP packages. Open your terminal and use the add repository command, followed by the PPA name, to add the repository. After adding the repository, it's time to update your package lists. To include the newly added packages, use the apt update command to refresh your system's package index. Now we're ready to install PHP 8.1. Type the apt install command followed by the specific PHP 8.1 packages you need for a basic setup. You will want PHP 8.1, along with common extensions like PHP 8.1 CLI, PHP 8.1 FPM, and 8.1 Philippine Pesos common. Once installation is complete, verify that PHP 8.1 is correctly installed by checking the PHP version. Use the php command to display your PHP version information. To finalize your work, restart the Apache web server with the systemcall restart Apache to command. You can also restart the PHP FPM service with the systemcall restart PHP 8.1 from service command. And that's it. You now have PHP 8.1 operational on your Ubuntu system. Enjoy blazing fast performance and the very latest PHP functionalities. Remember to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.